What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars. If you're new here, thanks very much for clicking on the video and checking the channel out. I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community, and I just ask questions to you guys about stuff I think in my head about what's some stuff that goes on in the supercar community where I think, you know, ask you a question about what's happening. And the one I've come up with today is basically, do you think neons are making a comeback or have they ever left the scene? I just thought it'd be an interesting topic to cover. I'd say this is just a quick video, guys. I do have longer videos if you check my channel, and I do quick ones and I break them down sometimes as well. So again, if you like this kind of stuff, guys, please do smash the subscribe button, get involved, comment, like, all that kind of stuff, because as we get bigger I will be doing a project car, but I can't do it unless you guys help the channel grow. So as I said, neon lights, are they making a comeback? Now the reason I asked this question is because in F-Spot's video, there was a big massive car meet in LA in a car park, I think it was, and even he said there was neons, a lot of neons everywhere. And I'm seeing in, I don't know, in the LA scene, if you're from LA watching this video, or if you're from the States or even the UK, wherever you're from, when you go to car meets, are you seeing more neons come back? Because I haven't been to a car meet in years in Ireland, so I wouldn't know, but I'm just making as an observation, did they ever actually leave? And what do I think of them? Now, the thing about me with neons is I do like them. I think they're really cool, but they have to be put on the right car with the right body kit and the right mods. People throw neons onto a car with just a set of wheels and exhaust, and that is, it's diabolical, it's criminal, shouldn't be done. They need to be put on right on the right car, and just for me, the car needs to be a very flushed looking car, not too aggressive, a nice body kit, slammed, just looks really nice, you know, not too much going on with it, and then LED neon lights. Would I put neons on a car, on one of my cars? I would, if I was modifying it correctly, if I felt that the car would look better with neons. Yeah, I probably would, but it would depend on the car I'm modifying and what I'm putting on the car. I wouldn't just throw them on there for some reason I didn't want to. But I'm just curious from you guys, have you seen them lately? Do you think they're making a comeback? I think they are, judging from S-Spot's video and a few other videos I've seen on YouTube at car meets. They look like they're starting to make a comeback. I don't know if they ever left, if you're in the States, wherever you are. Have you always seen them at car meets? Would you want to see them make a comeback? Do you want to see them more on cars? Because at the end of the day, guys, we know modifying's been going on since the early 90s, but really Fast and Furious broke out the neon lights and modifying heavily and body kits and stuff like that, and that's where it all came from. And you know, being called a ricer now, I think, is a bit stupid, because at the end of the day, I mean, if you can't do the mods correctly, in my eyes, then yes, you might get called a ricer. But if you do the car right and it looks perfect and it suits neons, you should be just kind of left alone. At the end of the day, it's your own car and you can do what you want to do it, and then there should be constructive criticism as well. Just neons are you have to be very careful with them. Know if they suit your car or not. I just think they can be done over the top, or they can be done right. But I want to hear your thoughts and opinions below in the comments, guys. It'd be nice to hear you. So yeah, that is it. I just wanted to make this quick video about it, see what you guys think, and thanks very much. So till the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment below, and stay safe. Peace out, bye.